At first glance, you'd probably think this thing was built for the military. 6 enormous wheels, a Mercedes heavy-duty truck underneath, and a body that looks ready to survive almost anything. But open this door, and everything changes. Because this isn't a military truck. It's a luxury home designed to go where ordinary motorhomes wouldn't dare. This is the SOD PEAK 6x6, and it may be one of the most outrageous expedition motorhomes you can buy. Underneath is a Mercedes-Benz Arocs 3358, a serious heavy-duty truck transformed into something Mercedes itself never intended it to be. And moving something this enormous requires an equally ridiculous engine. A 15.6-liter turbo diesel 6-cylinder produces 578 horsepower and a massive 2,800 newton-meters of torque. But this isn't about going fast. It's about continuing forward when the road stops existing. Its living module alone stretches roughly 6.5 meters with an interior height of around 2.3 meters. And remember that door I showed you? Now let's actually go inside. Because absolutely nothing about the exterior prepares you for this. Outside, it looks like an Expedition Command vehicle. Inside, it feels more like a high-end apartment. Instead of exposed metal and military equipment, you're surrounded by carefully finished cabinetry, premium materials, and a genuinely residential living space. And this isn't luxury added just for photographs. The entire space has been designed around actually living here. There's a proper kitchen, giving you somewhere to prepare real meals even when the nearest restaurant could be hundreds of kilometers away. Move farther back, and the Peak starts feeling even less like a truck. There's a dedicated sleeping area designed to give you something extremely valuable after a day crossing difficult terrain: privacy. And yes, there's a proper bathroom too, because apparently conquering the wilderness doesn't mean giving up a hot shower. Even the Mercedes cab gets the luxury treatment, with leather and Alcantara premium detailing and even a dimmable starry sky headliner. But here's what separates an expedition vehicle from an expensive motorhome. It has to work when the ground underneath it doesn't cooperate. The living module sits on a specially engineered subframe with a double 3-point mounting system designed for heavy off-road use. And when you finally stop, 4 hydraulic supports can automatically level this enormous home on uneven ground. Even getting inside is dramatic. The entrance staircase extends hydraulically, complete with its own platform and handrail. Which brings us to the uncomfortable question: what does something like this cost? Reported pricing for earlier versions of the Peak 6x6 reached well beyond $1 million. And that's before considering the reality of owning something this big. Fuel, maintenance, storage, and finding somewhere capable of handling it. You could buy a luxury motorhome that's easier to drive. You could buy an apartment that's considerably larger, but neither gives you quite this combination of a luxury home and the ability to take that home far beyond the campsite, because the SOD Peak isn't really about camping. It's about reaching the point where the campsite, the road, and eventually civilization itself disappear. And if you had the money, where would you take it?